In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a song with MiniMax Music AI. First, head over to minimax.io and you should be able to see this. You can see in here some MiniMax options that you can choose from. So on my case, let me head over and then choose right here the music option instead of speech. We have in here our agent and we have our music. Click onto this try now and then this will redirect you right here into this page. Just wait for this to successfully load altogether. With this, you can just input or type your ideas into Sonic Masterpiece. So for example, let's input right here a love song about specific things like leaving the home and leaving the partner. So you can just input right here a vague idea, or you can also add right here the lyrics that you want. So it needs to have this credits right here. So you need to log in to receive points for free as well. So you can also choose the music option. As of right now, we have this music 2.0. The duration is around 5 minutes. So you can head over and use that. We have in here the music option. So when you sign up, you will automatically have right here 14,000 credits. It requires 300 only. So let's head over and create this. This will create a song for us. So just wait for this to be created and we should be able to have our song. Here we have now the actual song. You can proceed to download that and play it. It has this pop ballad and you can proceed to download it and then use it. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.